How to recover hacked Roblox account without email or phone number. What's up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily recover your Roblox account if it has been hacked without using your email or phone number. So let's say the hacker has changed your account's email and phone number but you don't remember it. Then in that case what you can do is first go ahead and click on Roblox login page, and from here all you have to do is change this login to support. So just type in support here and hit enter. Now you will be taken to the Roblox support. Now here you just have to enter your date of birth that's associated with your Roblox account if you remember it. Otherwise it's not that big of a deal, but it's really good if you remember it, and click on continue. It will directly take you to this contact form where you will have to enter your username if you remember it. And once you enter your username, you will have to enter the first name if you have added it to your account, then your email address. And once you do that, you can confirm your email address from here. And right below your confirmation, you select your issue, what type of issue you're having. I'm using my PC. And on the help category, you're going to select account hacked or can't log in. So on the select type, you can click account hacked. And on the description, you can add certain things like saying your account has been hacked. You can enter your username and telling them that you're the rightful owner of your account. And from here, if you click on continue, Roblox team will contact you back within a day or two. Then you just have to follow up with them and prove them that you're the rightful owner of your account and you should get your account back. So that's pretty much it. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one.